Hey team, Mike Healy here, and I want to show you what I found out about the iDecide platform, and I'm going to give you a training. We're going to go to my computer screen. I'm going to walk you through it, and it is absolutely going to blow your mind, okay? So being in networking for all the years that I've been in, I can honestly say this is probably the coolest technology to deliver a perfect customer journey / rep journey that I've ever seen, okay? So thank you, technology. You are awesome. But this is something that I have taught for years successfully. It's all about getting somebody to take a quick, look at something to see if they're genuinely interested. It's not that hard. It's not rocket science, right? And this platform will allow you to do that. So we're going in right now to the computer here. We're going to take a look at it, and I'm going to show you the power of it. Okay, so here we are in my back office of the iBuumerang site. Okay, kind of cool. They got the different things up here, and what you want to do is you want to go to iDecide Interactive, and when you click on that, understand that if for some reason it doesn't pop up, make sure you check your browser up here in your address bar to see if you have a pop-up blocker. Same thing, it goes for the travel thing. But anyhow, let's go to the iDecide right now. Now in the back of the iDecide, what you're going to see are your list of people that have come in and are watching the business. Okay, now real quick tip for you. If you want to make sure that you get your notifications correctly, you want to click on My Account, put this information in correctly. Understand there is no billing because anybody that's an iBuumerang associate gets it for free, or TSA, okay? You can also import context. You would use a CVS or CSV file to do that, okay? Real simple. Now, what I want to show you here is this, I'll probably have these blurred out, obviously, but I've got, these are the times that people have come in to watch these things, and you'll notice that I've gotten, this is just, look at the times, because this is actually today that I sent a bunch of these out. Started watching, and the notifications come in, whether they, what they do at the end, okay? So it's pretty cool. So these are people that have notified me that they want to join. So the best part about this is what I'm going to show you real quick, is I got to pull this up, is on your phone. You can set it up, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Is you can actually set it up, and I would highly recommend, as I'll show you this in a second, that you want to set up a test. You actually get a notification when somebody's watching this and when they've finished. Okay, so it says join. So when I clicked at the end to join, that's exactly what I had that I pulled up. Now, how you can do this is a couple ways. So what you do is you go here to add contact, you click on that, and you'll put their information in here, okay? Then once you save it, it will automatically send them the email. The cool thing though too is this, is you can actually do a post a link, bottom right corner. When you click on that, it will actually pull up, you click next, and it will create your links. Now here you can be notified a few different ways. You can send you can get a notification by email, but obviously I like to work fast, so I click send me a text message. And then all you have to do is click this to copy it to your clipboard, and now you can give that link out. You can click this button and share it directly on here, but here's what I would tell you is always ask for permission to send somebody something. That's what I like to do. Now, I have, for years, all I've done is called people and say, hey, can I send you something? Can I send you something? Can I send you something? And I'm off the phone real quick, okay? This is also something you could easily text to somebody. Send them a text, say, hey, I just found this really cool business, a video training or whatever it might be. You'll figure out the script on that. And then if they say yes, then I would send them that link. So you could email that link to or text that link to yourself, or just put it in, and then what you're going to do is you're going to send it to them, and boom, they can go in there. And then again, what you'll have is you're going to have the notifications come in that tell you that they're watching it, and so on. Okay, so it's a really, really, really powerful platform. And then all you're going to do is follow up with those people, and you can search and so on. So here's what I would tell you kind of in closing. It's really a simple program, is make sure you go in and send yourself one to test it. That way you can watch the entire customer journey. You know exactly what it is, how it flows. I did that this morning. I was just amazed at how interactive it was and how it customized my journey as I went through. And that way you can see exactly the notification and how it works, okay? So iDecide, I believe, is going to be a game changer for the networking industry. I think everybody should be using a tool like that, but definitely for our business. And The one thing I will tell you is activity matters most. If you can get people and yourself to be consistent with just giving these presentations out, people will raise their hand. And during this customer journey, understand real importantly is that it's not just about somebody being a rep. They actually can choose, I want to be a customer, and you'll get a notification, and you can then go into your back office and send them a boomerang so that they can get one of the discounted websites that you can give, which they get for free. And this is what's so cool about it. Okay, it's a very good customer-centric focused platform, as well as obviously people are smart enough to figure out if there's a way to make money, they can jump on board with that. So hopefully you understood this, and if you got questions, hit me up, and I'll see you on the other videos. Thanks.